talk really quickly here about Onyx XCN, 0.022 cents at the time of this video. Been a great month, 58%. Obviously, it spiked up here, was at 0.025, almost to 3 cents, honestly. And then a ton of profit selling, but over the last 7 days, it is holding very strong at these levels, north of 2 cents, right? A little, actually, north of 0.018. But holding very strong. Like we saw it hit this high. We saw a ton of profit selling, which was expected because of this run up in a red market conditions, obviously not showing a ton of profit for a lot of coins. So when people see profits in a coin like Onyxcoin, they're going to take them. We saw that the profits being taken, and then we're seeing just pretty solid consolidation, pretty solid flat line really since last weekend, or I guess that would be towards the middle or end of last week. I think it's showing strong support. Again, I'm not like doing a technical analysis of the chart. If just anyone looks at this, you can kind of take away from it that it is showing strength here. Holder count continues to get bigger and bigger, 46,747. We're talking about just 5 days ago was at 45,922, so almost 1,000 holders in about 5 days. With the coin, staying pretty even here, right, at these levels consistently. I think it is important to kind of understand as well that given the market conditions, if we just take a quick look here at Bitcoin, ETH, Onyxcoin being on top of ETH, you can see here the Ether scan. If ETH reverses, which it has done decent, somewhat better, 5.73% over the last 7 days. If ETH does, just get back to the 3,000 plus, price level here, which again, it's down 14% over the last month, over the last year, 48% in the red, was at 38,000 over here back in December. If ETH can get back to even these levels here, we will see Onyxcoin go crazy, in my opinion, right? Just given the trickle-down effect of altcoin season, and how that will react and trigger into a coin like Onyxcoin, which again, if we take a look here, over last year, more specifically, back in January, Onyxcoin was at 4 cents. That's obviously double from the current price now. And it's like it goes kind of back to it of like the coins that are down, obviously, from where they were December, January. If you get in positions now or you establish a position now or DCA now and they get back to just where they were then, for some coins, you're going to see 5-10x return, which, at the end of the day, in the crypto market, that is solid return. I think in any equity market, that's solid return. And for Onyxcoin, it's definitely possible, right? Taking a look here at a couple of things, though, Onyxcoin has been putting out some bullish tweets lately. TikTok, the countdown for Xcn is getting closer. Engagement on this tweet is crazy. Honestly, it is crazy. I think people don't take that into consideration, but the engagement on this tweet, 27 views, 611 likes, 141 retweets. Like, that's solid engagement for crypto. Onyx Smart Wallet is around the corner. For a better launch with gas-free transactions and passkey wallet access exclusively for the Xcn ledger and more. Again, this is extremely bullish as well. Community is key. Other community members, Xcn Public Zealy program. I'm not really sure what this is. This is just a tweet from an hour ago. Also wanted to share this article here from CoinDesk. Onyxcoin, native token of the namesake's modular blockchain, experienced major boost over the past 48 hours, bucking the bearish market sentiment with a 150% rise. Daily trading volume averaged 25 million earlier this week until the token started to rip through levels of resistance. That figure is building to 600 million, the majority of which took place on Coinbase, which again is very key as well. We look at this, Coinbase is the leading exchange here for XCN Onyxcoin, and it already having Coinbase listing, we know that the Binance listing, perpetual futures listing happened, which obviously did very well, and as far as affecting the price and causing the price to explode like this, right? Literally went from 0.008 to 0.002 in a rather short amount of time. And I think there is a lot of speculation online of buying and selling Onyxcoin and how it's going to do in the long term, which I think long term wise, in the macro is good, right? People talking about Onyxcoin, people understand it, people know about it, which I think when the market does reverse fully, Onyxcoin is going to benefit from that. Also, Onyxcoin, again, market, just talking about prices here, 7.3 billion market cap, that's 22 cents, it's 11x from here. At a 25 billion market cap, it's 75 cents. right, which is a 37x from here, which again, for a coin like Onyx in a bull market, 25 billion market cap is attainable. Like, I'm not sitting here saying the price prediction of 75 cents. I've continuously said 20 to 50 cents range. It is, to me, in my opinion, safe for Onyxcoin in a bull market. But just to show you, like, 25 billion for the tech and infrastructure and utility that Onyxcoin does present is very attainable. So again, just wanted to update everyone here on this, holding very, very strong here. Let me know in the comments below if you have Onyx Xcncoin. Please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.